Hey, I'm Jake with Five Guys Roofing, and today I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about our silicone roof system. So here in the background, we've got a crew, one of our crews working on a commercial building, and this commercial application, we've decided to go with a silicone roof restoration because of a couple reasons. The first reason I want to go over is because of the restoration effect that we can use with the silicone product versus tearing off. A lot of the time with commercial buildings and older roof systems, we have to decide if it's a worthy candidate of tearing off or restoring. Now this one was an old built-up roof system that had been previously coated, and we were able to take it and clean the roof, do minor repairs, and then apply the silicone over top. And this is going to be a seamless roof system at that point, taking away a lot of the pain points with commercial buildings, which are the seams. With the silicone product, the second advantage is it's a cool roof system. So you have the solar reflectivity of the product itself that's going to allow the roof to hold a cooler temperature, which is going to allow the inside of the building to be more efficient. So a huge benefit to the silicone product is the fact that ponding water has zero effect on it. Permanent ponding water usually takes over a roof system and causes so much damage and costly repairs. With silicone, you don't have to worry about that. The warranty of the silicone product is outstanding. The top warranties in the industry, and with these warranties, you get bumper to bumper labor and material warranties, 10, 15, 20, even a 50-year manufacturer material warranty. So for all your commercial roofing needs, give Five Guys a call. We're here to help.